Welcome to our channel. Today we explain how to set up Kodi on Apple TV. Step by step. Start by ensuring your Apple TV is connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Next, you'll want to install the Xcode app on your Mac. Open the App Store on your Mac and search for Xcode. Download and install Xcode if you haven't already done so. Once installed, launch Xcode. Now, connect your Apple TV to your Mac using a USB-C cable. In Xcode, select Create a new Xcode project. Choose tvOS from the options and select Application. Rename the project to Kodi or any preferred name. Next, set your organization name and identifier. Click Next and choose a location to save your project. With the project created, go to Build Settings. Change the signing option to Automatically Manage Signing. Select your Apple ID under the Signing team. Now, download the Kodi app file from the official Kodi website. Once downloaded, extract the file if needed. Back in Xcode, navigate to Product in the menu. Select Scheme, then Edit Scheme. In the Executable section, change to Kodi. This ensures that Xcode uses the Kodi app for installation. Connect your Apple TV to Mac again, if not connected already. Now, click on the Build button in Xcode to compile the app. After the build completes, the Kodi app will be installed on your Apple TV. To access Kodi, disconnect your Apple TV from the Mac. Using your Apple TV remote, navigate to the Kodi app. Open Kodi and follow the initial setup prompts. You can now start enjoying Kodi on your Apple TV. Follow the steps carefully to complete the process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.